Welcome back to my channel, and today another video on Irvine. I recently did a walking tour of Irvine, showed you the spots, so if you want a little bit more in-depth review after this video, go and check out that video. So Irvine really is famous for these master plan communities. It all kind of started in the 70s with the Woodbridge, and then it just escalated, and now you've got these beautiful master plan communities. For example, great park, just spectacular houses, and because of that, there's HOA, and because of that, guess what? They're clean. The curb appeal is unbelievable. You've got shops nearby. You've got outdoor activities nearby. These master plan communities, for some people, they don't like them. They don't have a yard. They don't like HOA. They don't like people snooping. But for others, it's getting more and more popular because these communities are spectacular. I'm Matt Tilley, the British bloke, a local realtor. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'll be doing videos every week on different neighborhoods in the Orange County and LA County. So if that's what you're looking for, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so a little bit about Irvine. Population 272,000. It's a pretty big city, actually, 65 square miles. To put that into context, Santa Monica is only 8 square miles. And why Irvine? Why do so many people talk so highly of Irvine? Well, let me tell you why. Some of the best schools in the country, some of the greatest crime statistics in the country, probably one of the healthiest cities in the country, and also the cleanest. When I walk around Irvine, I don't see any trash. It's unbelievable. Also, Southern California right now, there's always a homeless crisis being spoken about. If you go to Irvine, they have it really well under control, if you ask me. If you're looking for jobs, Irvine has you covered. Average salary in Irvine, $240,000, way higher, obviously, than the national average, and also the average in OC and LA County. So this is why so many people are flocking to Irvine. Not to mention the mall, which I'll show you later. Unbelievable outdoor malls in the Spectrum Center. Absolutely love it. All right, so let's get to Irvine. So here we are, the OC, and here is Irvine. Excuse my drawing. But so here's Irvine. Let me scooch out a little bit here so you can see the grand scheme of it, where we are. We're about 50 miles away from downtown LA. You've got Newport Beach, you've got Huntington Beach, you've got Laguna Beach, obviously Santa Ana, Anaheim, Disneyland. And then if you go a little bit further south, as you can see here, here is San Diego, about an hour and a half south of Irvine, and then obviously the Mexican border as well. So if you wanted to do some trips down to Mexico, got you covered. Temecula wine country, not too far away either. So Irvine is a really, really well located city, if you ask me. Yeah, if you're relocating to Southern California from somewhere and you're going to be working in downtown LA or Santa Monica, Beverly Hills, Hollywood, or at the studios of Burbank, yeah, Irvine, absolutely not for you. This is a 1.5 hour drive. Yes, you've got all the freeways coming out of Irvine. That's spectacular if you ask me. You've got the 5, you've got the 405, plenty of smaller freeways as well, which is always nice when you're getting out of Irvine to go somewhere. But no, if you're working in Los Angeles, Orange County, just because of the traffic, definitely not for you. But like I said, plenty of work in Irvine. And if you're in Anaheim, if you're in Newport Beach, anywhere, even Long Beach, a little further, but not bad. But if you're working kind of anywhere within this location, your commute time is not going to be bad. Average commute time in LA County is an hour. Well, almost an hour. Orange County, it's less, just because everything is so more compact. So why Irvine? You know, if it was Irvine Beach, I have a feeling it would get so much more traction. Newport Beach, Huntington Beach, Laguna Beach, they're the ones talked about generally in the OC. If it was Irvine Beach, I think it would be more talked about, but it's not. Obviously, it's slightly closer to the mountains here, so it can be definitely warmer in the summer if you live in this part of Irvine. The closer you get to Newport Beach, obviously, the closer you're getting to the ocean. So then the weather is generally better as a whole. And if you're worried about moving to Irvine and maybe you commute or you fly to other places for work on a regular basis, LAX is a long way away. However, you have John Wayne Airport right by Irvine, right here. As you can see, Irvine, boom, boom, boom. You are 10 minutes away. Internationally, it only flies to Mexico and Canada, but within the United States, you should be covered. Obviously, I would definitely double check before you move to Irvine. But John Wayne Airport, as you can see, not very far from Irvine whatsoever. There's also Long Beach Airport as well. So about 30 miles away. Long Beach Airport, another great airport if you ask me. Really easy, really quick, and it just saves you all the hassle of having to go to LAX. You do not want to be traveling to here if you had like a 6 p.m. flight on a Friday or any day of the week, to be honest. So great thing about Irvine, right by John Wayne Airport. Okay, first off in Irvine, let's talk about Woodbridge. A lot of people say it's the granddaddy of the master plan. Irvine now is known for the master communities. A lot of communities going up, a lot of new builds. It's probably why you're looking in Irvine right now, because there's a lot of new construction, beautiful construction. Anyway, Woodbridge right here, as you can see, conveniently located just north of the 405, just south of the 5. You're heading in and out of Irvine. This was built in the 70s and 80s, so the infrastructure is older, but it's a really good community vibe. And because the community was built in the 70s and 80s, obviously a little older, so better prices. Also, no Mello-Roos or little Mello-Roos. Mello-Roos, basically taxes on the new construction in the Great Park area, for example, because they're putting up all these new communities with all these new amenities that they have to offer. They charge an extra tax on top of your property tax called Mello-Roos to basically pay for all this. In Woodbridge, you're not paying for that right now because they don't have any new amenities. But they have 2 lakes, 2 beautiful lakes here. They have a lagoon that you can go swimming in, pools, tennis courts, hiking. So it really is a nice area. Yes, the architecture is older, but there's a great community vibe because it's been around since the 70s. So a lot of people now born and raised in the area, growing up together, been to the schools, worked together. So it's a great vibe there. Okay, so let's leave Woodbridge, head to Northwood. Basically another old master plan community, just below Orchard Hills. There's about 2,000 condos and townhomes and about 5,600 single family homes, ranging all sizes really. That's another great thing about Irvine and especially this area. You've got your 2,000 square foot homes all the way up to your 5,000 square foot homes. Once again, these were built mainly in the 70s up to the 90s, so they're older homes, so better prices. Condos, you're looking anywhere up to like say 950,000 you can get on the market. Single family homes, 1.5 to 2 million, which I know is a lot, but in Irvine, I'll show you later, Turtle Rock, some other areas, you got homes going up to 50 million in some areas of Irvine. So 1.5 to 2 million in the grand scheme of it, not too shabby. You've got some great trails for biking and walking, and that's kind of all over Irvine. But up here in Northwood, yeah, great biking, great hiking, great walking, and obviously the high school. People rave about the Northwood High. Excellent. Once again in Irvine, most of the schools, actually all the schools are amazing. It's voted one of the best school districts in the nation. Okay, let's head down to the Great Park. For people relocating right now, wanting some new communities, new master plan communities. This is right by the water park, which is closed right now, unfortunately. But Great Park. Beautiful 3-4 bedroom homes right now, about $1.5 million. HOAs between 300 and 400, but they are spectacular. So yeah, if you're looking for spectacular new builds, check out Great Park area right here. Like I said, close to the freeways, close to the Irvine Spectrum Center. Has about 175 shops and restaurants. Like I said, it's outdoors. You'll be there all the time, and if you've got kids who are teenagers and they're wanting to kill time and meet their friends somewhere, this is a great place to do it. And there's a lot of work here, offices, young professionals as well. And here's the great park nearby. Lacrosse, tennis, volleyball, basketball, baseball, soccer, you name it. The great park has it. Definitely worth checking out. There's also a hot air balloon you can go up in about 15 to 20 minutes. It's got disabled access as well. Well worth it if you're making a trip out to Irvine to check it out. Turtle Rock. This is where the price of the homes really start to go up. 3-4 million plus. You're near Quail Hill. Obviously University of California, Irvine. That makes the prices go up as well. But now you're in big prices. The topography is completely different. The lots are a lot larger. There's beautiful views. You're closer to Newport Beach and the ocean, so you've got better weather. The sea breeze cooling you down. And if your budget is $3.5 million plus, check out Turtle Rock and the communities nearby. You're going to get bigger homes, bigger lots, great views. So, quick summary, Irvine, great location in Orange County, to be honest, right by the beaches, by the freeways. You've got John Wayne Airport really close by if you're traveling. You've got amazing schools, and depending on what you want, you've got the master communities if you want the brand new, more expensive, clean, beautiful homes. You've got older communities if you're looking for slightly more reasonable prices. And then if you want bigger homes, bigger space, better views, more of a sea breeze, you've got Turtle Rock and Quail Hill and the areas around that neighborhood. So hope this helped. Comment below if I've missed something else. And like I said, my name's Matt Tilley, the British bloke. I'm a local realtor. If you're looking to make a move in the next 9 or 90 days, give me a call. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at my next video.